defending the people. I am defending that person who wants to keep a party this Christmas, who haven't been able to earn nothing throughout the whole period that you had locked down this country and locked down St. James. I want to say that the person who wants to look for him auntie shouldn't need a letter, and he's not a criminal. I want to say that without adequate lockups, you shouldn't carry the regular man and go lock him up with the worst of criminals for 2, 3, or 4 days. And when we remember Mario Dean, I tell you, we don't go like we don't remember history. He went in for a spliff, and he came out dead. The people who are jumping up are unlikely to suffer this indignity. Please accept that it is possible that outside of political gamesmanship, because there's no political gain. What stupid analysis is that we are seeking political gain by not voting for it, when everything is going against us politically by not voting for it. If there's any evidence of conscience, it is now. Yes. It is now. The funders and possible funders have said, no, do what we say. We propose. The people in many communities are saying, we want more police, we don't understand, are they going to move? And we are saying that there is a court ruling, a constitution, and a reality that we still feel that this is not necessary. So to claim that we should be ashamed, you want everybody to know I am not ashamed. I sat the last time and take that lambasting from the president about if we are elected. I'm appointed to do a job, and I took an oath on that job. Yes. And I'm standing up for those who are of the feeling that more should be done for the cameras, the Jamaica Eye. That should be in the letter. Yes. The Jamaica Eye, not even government buildings don't have Jamaica Eye. More should be done for the body-worn cameras. More should be done for the anti-gang legislation. More need to be done with education. More need to be done with spending on the less fortunate. More need to be done with community policing and PART program. More need to be done with the violence interruption and the engagement of things like the PMI. More needs to be done with intervening in the communities. More need to be done in finding the 200 car that was supposed to come for the police, and it still don't come. The letter should have said that. The bandolo. And you're telling me you're doing all that you can. Mr. President, I say again, having given multiple yes, that today is a definite no. And I
Jamaican people want better.